One thing I learned in Thailand is when you don't have tools, you don't have to always run to the shop. A 10 and it's not gonna fit, it's way too small. I got this center punch and I just ground it out the back a little bit, clean it up, and guess what? Fits perfectly. And with the 13, use leverage. All right, I'm changing the front tire because you saw I got a few bulging spots. And that's all there is to it. All right, I'm gonna check the bearings, re-grease them. Re-grease your bearings. This one looks to be pretty dry, although it's still free spinning. Once you have the fender off, it's a good time to inspect your brake, like I said earlier. Commander 3s. Long overdue. See all that rust? So that would have caused a leak or a future problem